Welcome back to World Stadiums. Today we're bringing you the latest construction update on one of the most ambitious stadium projects in the world, the new Spotify Camp Nou. The transformation is happening at an incredible pace. Let's dive into the progress as of July 2026. From this bird's eye view, you can see just how massive the redevelopment has become. The entire structure is evolving week by week. Look at the progress on the compression ring. New steel segments are going up, bringing us closer to completing the iconic new roof. The engineering here is truly world-class. Installation of the signature ceramic facade continues on the north goal, while workers install sandwich panels and support brackets across multiple sections. The attention to detail is impressive. Inside, the third tier and VIP areas are taking shape. Red and blue seating is being installed across the stands, giving fans a glimpse of what match days will feel like in the near future. Construction teams are working around the clock on the north and south stands, mobility cores, and cantilever structures. Every corner of this stadium is being modernized while preserving the soul of the Camp Nou we all know and love. According to the latest timeline, September 2026, third tier opens, 70,000 capacity, end of 2026, Tribuna stand completed, 80,000 capacity, full operations expected in 2027 with the spectacular new roof. The new Camp Nou is going to be absolutely spectacular, bigger, modern, and ready for the future. If you love stadium content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.